Every summer I dye my hair with a different color. So let's see what color we're gonna paint this hair this summer. Okay? We are going to perform the operation. I have my developer. Then I still have these dyes from Ghana. Then I also have this box dye. I don't know, maybe I'll mix it. So I go in with my shea butter, almost finished, around my edges. You know why I do this? I put some shea butter around my edges to prevent the dye from, you know why. Thank you. So the last time I checked, this blue color, where is it? This blue dye is supposed to make my hair blonde or gold. So we are going to try this, okay? We are going to try this. I have the developer from this box. I'm going to use the developer from this box. Then mix it with my personal developer. Then I add this Ghanaian dye to it, okay? Let's hope it will work. If it doesn't work, then I will also. And I'm recording. What? I'm recording the hair that video. Yes. You delete that. Remove it, what? You go and hear your voice there. Let me not mention it again. Close your eyes. So you see the way I'm closing my eyes, because this is very dangerous. When it enters your eye, it's supposed to enter only your hair. I want this one, it has to pop. So you don't want to braid your hair? I'll braid, but not. The filter is nice. The filter is nice. Who told this filter? It's not filter, it's my real face. It's filter. Check, put your face. See your eyes. It's my real face. No. No. Hey, it's nice. It's nice. When will you dye your hair? You're looking nice. You have to have one picture like this. I have an avatar like this. You know what an avatar is? Yeah, I know. If this hair comes out purple, if people are dead in this last shoot. It's nice. It's nice? When are you doing your own? When you have time. Aja, come and press the thing for me. Really? You are stopping. Press snooze. Snooze. Yeah. How I wish I'll leave it on like this. How I wish it will come out like this color. Yeah. Then I have to let it stay on for a while. Yeah. 2 hours or so. I think an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours. But yeah, let's see how it's looking. Let's perform the operation. I didn't turn purple. Come and see. This is how it's looking now. So I'm going to wash this off camera.
It's hot.
Yeah. I'm going to wash this off camera and then I'll be back, okay? Do Max need my... It's not purple. But I think it's nice. This is after shampooing and conditioning. It's nice, I like it. I'm going to wash off this conditioner. So what's the name of this color? The orange. Anyway, I like it though. Surprised me. What do you think? What do you think about summer look? Let me know, let me know. Shrinkage is real. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till I see you again in another video. Bye.